Joining me now is John Tuohy with RJ Groner. Great to have you on the program, John. We need to talk about air conditioning.
Yes, we do, George.
It's that time of year. Let's first talk about the types of air conditioning we have here. You have a couple different units.
Mm-hmm. One of the first things we have here, which most people are probably familiar with, is their outdoor unit. That's typically referred to in our industry as the condenser.
Okay.
And that is what houses your compressor, and that's kind of the heart of the system. That's what makes it go. Many times we get asked in the field, what makes my system work? So in the picture you're seeing right now, you're actually seeing the heart of the system, okay? That is called the compressor, and that is what pumps the refrigerant, the Freon, there's many different names for it, around the system to either heat or cool your home, depending on the type of system that you have.
Okay, so if you have ductwork in your home, this is probably what you have outside.
Most likely, yes.
And this one over here is?
So this is a gas furnace, another common type of heating appliance for most of the Poconos here. And just a couple real quick basic components. You have a gas valve, you have what we call an inducer fan, which pulls the exhaust out of the furnace itself. The gas valve is what allows the gas to flow inside, and then down at the very bottom of this furnace is the blower. And the blower is what helps circulate the air or move it through your home. Inside of this gas furnace, you have what we call a heat exchanger. And the heat exchanger simply does one thing. It just transfers the heat from the gas flame to your airstream. And then the exhausts are pulled out through the unit and put outside of your home.
The other type of system too is that system called the Minisplit system?
Correct.
That works in homes that do not have ducts, correct?
Most homes are finished. Everything's complete. People are happy with the way their homes look. Everything's laid out. They don't want the disruption of having large ductwork punched through their walls and holes cut and everything like that.
Right.
So the mini-split market has opened up a whole new world for homeowners that don't have air conditioning already or ductwork in their home to get central air conditioning in a very high efficiency capacity.
Now, RJ Groner maintains all of these systems, correct?
Correct, George. We do spend a lot of time maintaining the equipment that we've installed and maintaining equipment that we haven't installed out there. The only way to make something last in this world is to maintain it.
Right.
Everything has a planned obsolescence where it's designed to only live for X amount of years. You want to get the most you can out of it.
Okay, so besides maintenance, if it doesn't work anymore, you also replace.
Absolutely. We do repair and replacement. Obviously we want to come in and do the best for our customers and offer them the solution that's going to fit their needs. So certainly if we can repair it, we will. If it comes to a replacement, we can take care of that as well.
I know everybody out there is really thinking about clean air. They want clean air in their home, especially today, in the type of climate we're in. Sanitizing.
Yes.
What do we have for systems to just make them even better?
So one of the things that we're very confident in is a UV light system, ultraviolet light or ultraviolet germicidal lights, which are designed to kill the bacteria, the viruses, the molds, the things that are in your airstream that you're breathing every day. So especially when you're locked in the summer because it's hot and you're running your air conditioning, or in the wintertime when you're inside, you want a way to filter and clean that air.
Sure.
So these products that are on the market nowadays are fantastic at doing that job and relatively easy to install in most systems. And relatively affordable in comparison to, having good clean air to breathe.
One of the things that everybody has when they have these systems is something called a filter, which they probably overlooked.
You are correct, George, and I'll tell you, probably the #1 service call we get in the summer is due to plugged filters. So this product we have right here is actually a HEPA filter, which is, let's just call this an air filter on steroids. Okay? And these products are designed to filter out many of the fine particulates that you have in your air. And one of the nice things about these larger filters is they last typically about 6 months before they need replacement.
RJ Groner has certified technicians?
Absolutely, George. So we've been very proud to have certified technicians on staff, factory trained, nationally certified, nationally recognized, and accredited service technicians on staff.
So for all your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs, RJ Groner also has 24-hour emergency service, which is very important.
Absolutely, George. One of the things that homeowners usually experience in this area is an emergency after normal business hours. Could be a weekend, could be a night, could be the 4th of July, could be Christmas, could be Easter, could be any holiday. You call RJ Groner Company, 2 things are going to happen. 1, you're going to get a live person on the phone. Number 2, you're going to get a technician out to your house, 24/7.
Nice. Now, if people want more information about RJ Groner, how do they get it?
One of the easiest and simplest things to do, George, is go right to our website, rjgroner.com, rjgroner.com.